Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Henderson County, northern Warren County, southeastern Mercer County, southern Henry County, until 7 a.m. At 6:16 a.m., thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Andover to near Ball Bluff, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monmouth, Cambridge, Galva, Burgess, Whitehall, Alpha, Andover, Little York, Seaton, North Henderson, New Windsor, Lake Warren, Alexis, Colebrook, Ball Bluff, Berwick, Bishop Hill, Henry County Fairgrounds, Garlaw, and Oakview. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Stark County, Knox County, until 7 a.m. At 6:19 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Andover to near Little York, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Oneida and Altona around 6:35 a.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Victoria, Lafayette, Galesburg, Toulon, Abingdon, Knoxville, West Jersey, London Mills, McLean, and Gilson. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 34 and 63. Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Fulton County, southern Knox County, southwestern Peoria County, until 7:45 a.m. At 6:59 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Gilson, or 11 miles southeast of Galesburg, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near McLean around 7:05 a.m. Fairview around 7:15 a.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Elmwood, Yates City, Farmington, Trevoli, Canton, and Panama City. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 54 and 67. Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 10:45 a.m. At 9:56 a.m., an area of showers with gusty winds was located near Midway Airport and approaching the 31st Street Harbor, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots source, radar indicated and EAS reported. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Calumet Harbor, Michigan City, Indiana Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Burns Harbor, Marina Shores Etu Harbor, 59th Street Marina, Hammond Marina, and Jackson Park Harbor. National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, northern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, until 11 p.m. At 10:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Mount Horeb, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts, Attica, Howley, and Pine Bluff. People People attending the Belleville Community Picnic should seek safe shelter immediately. Other landmarks included are the following location: York Memorial Church. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for mutual waters from Windsor Harbor to Wilmette Harbor. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for mutual waters from Windsor Harbor to Wilmette Harbor. Open waters from Windsor Harbor to Wilmette Harbor out to mid-lake until 12:45 a.m. At 10:37 p.m. Wind gusts to 40 knots. And thunderstorms were southern radar located along the line heading to small cooking damage to Greenville, southeast at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Small craft could be damaged and briefly. At 10 p.m. Airport was posting clouds. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, Rock County in south-central Wisconsin until 11:45 p.m. At 10:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Albany, or 10 miles west of Evansville, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, Rock County in south-central Wisconsin until 11:45 p.m. At 10:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Albany, or 10 miles west of Evansville, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, Delavan, South Beloit, Evansville, Brodhead, Belleville, Clinton, Darien, Orfordville, Brooklyn, Monticello, Albany, Footsville. Your attending farmers market in Beloit should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, Boone County in north-central Illinois until 12:30 a.m. At 11:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sharon, or 8 miles north of Podler Grove, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source include Crystal Lake, Algonquin Lake, Indiana The Hills, Hunley, Love Park, Fox Lake, Harvard Island, McHenry County Fairgrounds, and Marine Hill State on the lowest floor of a building. This is News Weather Radio, KXI. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for mutual waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor. Mutual waters from Calumet Harbor is a special marine warning for mutual waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor. Mutual waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City. Open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 1:30 a.m. At 11:27 p.m., a surge of wind from showers and thunderstorms located along the 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harris Beaver, Chris, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Cameron Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, and Belmont Harbor. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor out to mid-lake until 1:30 a.m. At 12:38 a.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 nautical miles east of Winthrop Harbor to 7 nautical miles northeast of Wilmette Harbor, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.